North Central Georgia, North Central Fulton County in North Central Georgia, Southeastern Barlow County in Northwestern Georgia, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Emerson, or near Cartersville, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Atlanta, Marietta, Canton, Cartersville, Sandy Springs, Roswell, Alpharetta, Smyrna, Kennesaw, Woodstock, Ackworth, Holly Springs, Emerson, Fair Oaks, Mount Bethel, Hickory Flat, Kellogg Creek, Red Top Mountain State Park, Crossroads, and Due West. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. Due to the threat of